Welcome to USMLE Tips and Tricks. Let's see what tricks and tips we have for today. A doctor asked, what do we do when a patient does not want to stop smoking or drinking?
I'm going to show you how I do it in real life, and this can also work for you. Patients usually don't want to quit. They didn't come in here for a smoking problem unless they did, and they come in and say, Doc, I need to quit alcohol, or Doc, I need to smoke. Most of the time, it's an incidental question, right? We ask them to find out if there's a complicating factor, and there is. They're a smoker and they've got chest pain, so we know that that's complicated. But they don't want to quit, all right? And they don't want to quit their drugs, or they don't want to do this. So I'll show you how I do it really quick in about 5 minutes. All right, so what I do is I say, all right, so I tell them, I say, well, you know smoking's not good for you. You know, smoking's not good for anybody. You shouldn't smoke, period. We don't need smoke to stay alive. However, since you're smoking, it complicates things. And remember, when you have a patient that smokes, I link it to every single complaint that they came in for. So if he comes in for bronchitis, okay, it's directly related. But if he comes in for chest pain, okay, this can affect your heart. This smoking really slows down the circulation in your system, and it makes your body work worse. It doesn't make your body work better. I like my body to be at optimal function. I'm not going to be smoking to decrease my function of my body. I don't think you should too. And so you can talk to them about that in any length. So let's say he's got leg swelling. Smoking increases leg swelling. Smoking, you can relate it to anything that they're complaining about. You can relate the smoking or the drinking to and how it's affecting their body. That's what you should do. Everything that you talk to them about should be personalized to their complaint, so they feel like you're really paying attention to their complaint instead of just saying, well, smoking causes cancer in 25% of the patient, 99%, and you start giving them stuff that they've heard before, they're going to turn you off. But, so let's say the patient says, I don't want to quit smoking. Okay, no problem. You can quit. You can quit whenever you want to. I'm going to be here. Whenever you're ready to quit, I'll help you quit. I have a great program for you. But in the meantime, if you get into trouble, come and see me, because I know what your problems are. I know you're a smoker. I know you have these type of problems, so I can help you better. And that's what I tell my patients. If the drug addicts that used to come and see me in the emergency room, I'd say, listen, I know you're not going to stop your drugs, but I don't want you to go to another emergency room. I know you, so I can take care of you. You just tell me what drugs you've changed to, and I can help you with it. And so I'll just help you. And after a while, everybody said, your drug addicts are here. Great, I can take care of them. That's okay, because we're not here to judge. We're here to treat the best we can with the patient, whatever decision they want to take. And so in every level, whether they're going to stop smoking or stop drinking, they have to make that choice from within. We cannot force that on them. We can recommend, but remember, we can't go to their house and knock the glass out and the cigarette out of their hand. We can't. They have to decide from within. Whenever you're ready, I can help you. I know it's difficult to stop. But if you can't, I want you to come and see me, because I know your case, and I can take really good care of it. With whatever you come in with, I'll take care of it. So they feel, thank you, doctor. And you have people that will really understand that. And guess what? By doing that, you planted a seed inside of them. And they start saying, no, maybe I should quit. This guy's pretty cool. He's trying to help me. Maybe I should quit. And they come back and they say, Doc, I think it's ready. It's time to quit. Great. All right, I'll help you now. And they might quit. They might forget it, and they might not do a good job of it. No problem. You can help them wherever they are in their life, right? And so that's how I approach those type of things. And so patients might not, most of them don't want to quit. Remember, they come in for a broken arm or something, and they're a smoker and an alcoholic. You have to fix the arm in the emergency room. Remember, the cases are first, and then we go to the counseling. I always counsel them and tell them, hey man, you know this stuff isn't good for you, but whenever you're ready, I can help you off it. And remember, so refer the patients back to you. And so how I do my counseling, let's say the patient comes in with a cough, but he's a big smoker. So I tell him, okay, listen, you know smoking's not good for you. Today I got to work on your cough, because that's what you're here for. But whenever you're ready, I would love to help you stop smoking. So I'd like to have you come back for that. But today I got to take care of your cough. So I counsel them that smoking is not good for him. And I counsel them about how it's affected his cough. This has made your cough worse. I need you to stop at least right now. And then whenever you're ready, come back in and we'll take care of the problem that you have. Okay, and that's how we should handle all the counseling. Show them that it's not good for them. Show them how it relates to their process. Tell them that you're going to see them again for that problem separately. And today, you're going to take care of the problem that came in, which is really what they want. They don't want you to solve their whole life. They want you to solve what they came in for. Remember, you have to show. They come in with a problem, and we have to show them that we really understand that problem, and we're going to take care of it. Okay? Those are good questions. I hope that really helped you guys. I